Alright, here's the list of tools you're going to need for this upgrade. Go ahead and take a moment, hit the pause button, get your stuff together, and we'll see you when you're ready. Alright, grab your T40 Torx bit. You're going to remove the bottom two bolts, the hanger bolts. And you want to go ahead and put an extension on your torque bit and give you a little bit better grip so you're not fumbling with it so much. Might make it easier. Next, use a T50 Torx bit to loosen the swing arm bolt, but do not remove it just yet. You're going to want to use an 8mm wrench to remove the nuts and bolts on the master cylinder. Just a heads up, the bolt is an 8mm, the nut is a 10mm on this. Okay, be cautious with the rear brake cylinder push rod. When you remove the hanger, it's attached to the brake pedal, and you don't want to cause any damage to it. Okay, you're going to use a T27 Torx bit to remove the push rod. The same with the brake lever bolt, which is a T40 Torx. Watch out for that return spring. The 10 and 13mm bolts in the Fat Bertha brake pedal replace the 27 and 40 Torx bolts. Remove the Torx bolts and set aside. Remove your green wire tie. Make sure you don't lose the washer. And that's the brake pedal spring I was telling you about. You want to be really careful with that. If you roll the brake pedal, you can roll it right off the spring. Leave it attached to the hanger. Makes it a lot easier. Getting the spring on the Fat Bertha brake lever is pretty easy. Get you a close up here in a second. Roll it sideways when you get it up there. Okay, don't forget your washer. All right, you're gonna use red Loctite. You can use blue or red. I choose red. Make sure you get enough on there. Now, when mounting the brake lever to the hanger, just get the bolt started a little bit, and you're gonna put pressure against the hanger and wiggle the brake lever. See how it popped on like that? You're going to go ahead and tighten it down, and you're good to go. That way you don't have to take the spring off, and you're not messing with it. It's pretty quick and pretty easy. All right, you're going to take the T27 torque out of the brake pedal, and you're going to use the 10mm bolt that came with the brake pedal. Don't forget your washer. Again, red Loctite. Tighten it down. Pretty simple. Now we're back to it. This is a comparison. A lot of people will say that the KTM brake lever is meant to bend. I don't agree with that. All right. When mounting this thing, be careful with the push bar. I believe that's a 10mm. That's one adjustment point that I'm showing you right here. You really shouldn't need to adjust the play of the brake pedal. Be careful when you put the push rod into the master cylinder. You don't want to damage it again. go ahead and set it up on your swing arm bolt. All right. You're going to reinstall the 8mm bolt and the 10mm nut that goes on the bottom. You're going to use blue Loctite on your hanger bolts, which are your T40s. Again, blue Loctite on the T50 for the swing arm bolt. You notice when I grab the brake cylinder how it moves forward and back. That is an adjustment point. Now, if you need to adjust this, go ahead and I'd look in the manual so you get the proper specifications. Now, the last thing to do is make sure everything's tightened up. What's real nice about this brake pedal is that this cleat right here, you can move it forward and backwards by just loosening up this 8mm nut and bolt. And you're going to loosen them on up, and they are pretty tight. Take your Allen head bolt and move it back one hole to adjust it. It'll give you about a 10mm adjustment on there. If you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. You guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.